Hey guys, it's Uncle Chris. I just wanted to make a real quick video on how to make my spinach dip. Okay, we're gonna do what we always do when we make anything with a sauce. Put some butter in there, let it heat up, and put in some flour. That's right, we are going to make a roux. Alright, I'm gonna mix this around. Just enough to get out that flour taste. I might put a little more butter in here. You never can have too much butter. It's channeling my inner Paula Deen. I can't help it. Get off up there. All right. Yes, yes. I got the fire down too low. How's everybody doing? All right. I'm also going to add some garlic to this. Just a little. Not even a teaspoon, okay? And I'm going to add some black pepper, though. Now that I've cooked up that flour taste, I'm going to take half an onion and saute it up in here, okay? I'm going to do that till the onions are translucent. Then I'm going to add about a cup and a half of milk, one dribble at a time. Ooh, yes. All right, these have caramelized to the consistency I want. I'm going to start putting my milk in here. All right, a little at a time. Let it thicken up and put you some more. Oh, it smells so good. I know. Y'all already know what I'm going to say. I wish they had smell-o-vision. A 16-ounce pack of cream cheese. Here we go. Now, I want to be careful about this. I don't want this to splash. You don't want to come out of there. It's just like, swear to goodness, giving birth. Come out of there. Now, at this time, I have chopped up a whole 16 bar of mozzarella cheese, 16 ounce bar of mozzarella cheese. Yeah, ooh, Lord have mercy. I'm going to put that in there too. I'm going to add me a little more onion powder through here. And a little more garlic. Then after this, I'm going to put in the spinach. Put in the spinach. Ooh, yeah. Let's get this going. Now, keep mixing this till it is, ooh, it smells so good. Till it is fully mixed together. All right. I'll put some more milk in here. And you know what? Got an idea. I'm going to put in some Swiss. Oh, yes, I am. Ooh, I want this to be real good. Because after this, y'all, you know what we're going to do? You and I, nephews and nieces, are going to go take our finished spinach dip and watch a movie. I like to pretend y'all are watching the movie with me. So I'm not in there by myself, especially if I'm watching a scary movie. Ooh. One time me and Jay was watching a scary movie. It was raining outside, right? All of a sudden the thunder went kaboom! Me and Jay were under that cover so quick it wasn't funny. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is coming together wonderful. Now, I am going to put some more milk in here just to loosen it up just a little bit. But first, I'm going to put the spinach. Oh, just look at that. Okay. I didn't have a whole lot of spinach, y'all, but I did have. I had leftover from another meal, and I said, let me incorporate this in here. You don't have to have a whole lot because the dip is going to be good by itself. And like I said, cooking is an experiment. I might just add some more stuff to this. Now I'm going to mix this till the spinach is all incorporated all over with this. Because remember now, we got the onion in here too. Okay? Oh, this is good. This is really good. Let us mix this all around. Okay. You all, you know what I think would be insane to do? Put some shrimp in here. Hold on. I'm going to be right back. All right, you all. What I have done, I thawed out some shrimp. Because remember, I got some shrimp. The price of shrimp has dropped. I got a bag of shrimp and bought one. And the other one was free. Yes, it was buy one, get one free. Have you ever heard of that with shrimp? Now check this out. I'm putting them in here raw. Yes, I am. Why? Because shrimp don't take that long to cook, okay? And this is going to go in the oven too, so you don't want to overcook your shrimp. They're going to be like rubber. You do that, this is not, no, you don't want no rubber shrimp. Ugh, no. All right. Look at all the, yes, now. Well. Now we're going to let this cook till the shrimp are nice and done. Then we're going to bake it in my cast iron skillet. Or do I want to use my pie pan? No, I think I want to use my cast iron skillet. I don't know. I'm going to decide in just a minute. All right. Oh my goodness, my nieces and nephews. Look at that. Just came out the oven. Oh. I just had to get that view. I really had to get that view. Oh, yes. All right. Now we are going to just garnish this with a little bit of, what we call this stuff? Parsley. I tell you, I'm having a senior moment. That's what my mother used to say. Over top of this, a little smoked paprika, just to give it that fancy color. Make this at your next party, and you will be a hit. Or take this to a party you're invited to. And everybody's going to be saying, who made this dip? Now look. Let me see if I can be lucky enough to find a shrimp. Oh. This is hot, y'all. I'm supposed to let this cool down. I really, oh my goodness. Oh, let me just, Can you see that? Now I'm going to cool it down, because this is hot. It's real hot. I didn't even let it cool. I'm supposed to let this cool and set. But it just came out. I had to show y'all. Let me see. Oh my God. Y'all. I have no words how good this is. You have got to make this. Okay. I tell you what, nieces and nephews, like, comment, hit that subscribe button. Come on now. All right. Till next time, let's you and me take this spinach dip and go watch a movie. All right. Big love from Uncle Chris. Come on, y'all.